Welcome to Loose Ends Crochet. Today I'm really excited to show you my Ibiza bag. The Ibiza bag is a fantastic way to utilize the connecting stitch that allows you to work in rows with the ease of working in the round. So you're not having to work with two balls of wool as you may be familiar with, just the one, so you don't need a double-ended hook, although the flexible hook is very helpful. I've started with the bottom of half double crochets if you're in the US, followed by a back loop only. It also adds a structure as well as a defined bottom edge to a bag. And then it's a series of Tunisian simple stitch rows, and then a row of Tunisian extended double crochets, Tunisian simple stitch, Tunisian double crochets, extended double crochets. And in between these is a row of Tunisian simple stitch. And that allows you to get the height that you need because you'll be working two rows below when you're doing your Tunisian extended double crochets. And that's really the bottom portion of the bag until you get to the bottom third, and in that case I've created 5 rows of Tunisian simple stitch. Then we're back to that pattern repeat with the extended double crochets Tunisian, and then finishing off at the top with Tunisian simple stitch and a decorative crab stitch on the very top. So this is my pattern repeat with a Tunisian extended double crochet, a simple stitch, and then a Tunisian extended double crochet. So I will do my simple stitch and then a Tunisian extended double crochet, and I'll be doing that 2 rows below the current row. So this is my current row, 1, 2. So I'll be working into this stitch here. So yarn over, into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain. So then a simple stitch and a Tunisian extended double crochet, again 2 rows below, yarn over, into that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 1. So I'm going to continue this pattern all the way around. You can see how we're making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these end up being staggered. So I'm coming to the end of my forward pass, and this is where I'm going to make my connecting stitch. My return pass of the previous row, when I got to the last 2 stitches, I marked those off before I did my final pull through. So the connecting stitch, I will complete my final stitch forward of the forward pass, which in this instance is a simple stitch. And then I'm going to insert through the stitch marker, and it's 2 stitches. Yarn over, pull through those 2 and through the last stitch of that forward pass, and then it's a return as normal. So yarn over and pull through 2 and go all the way back to the beginning. So I've made it all the way around on my return pass, and I'm getting ready to pull through my final 2 stitches, and I insert my stitch marker so that it makes it much easier to know exactly where to make that connecting stitch from the forward pass of the next round. So this round is a simple Tunisian simple stitch all the way around. So let's make that final pull through. So again, I've finished off the last stitch of that forward pass. I make my connecting stitch yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 3. And then I'm going to do a return pass all the way around. And that's really as simple as it is. So a great way to use your connecting stitch, a great way to have an incredibly versatile and practical bag. And it's an easy one to create. Perhaps I'll see you with your Ibiza bag in Ibiza. Thanks for watching.